So let's take a look at how you can create Lightning application from Salesforce Developer Console. So what we're going to do is we are going to log into our Salesforce Developer dashboard. Then in right hand side you see this engine like icon. Click on that, where you see options for setup, service setup and developer console. Now here in new window you may see that it will load your developer console. It will feel like an IDE that runs from the web. Okay, so let it load, and once loaded, what we're going to do is simply go to file, then new, and then Lightning application. Okay, so once again open your developer console, then file, new, Lightning application. Then you have to name this new Lightning bundle. So let's name this DVA. So developer applications DVA. Click submit. This will open one dva.app. Okay, so this file contains aura : application tag. Okay, if you have created any aura component, then you know aura : component is that tag. In case of application, it's aura : application tag. Now if you want to add earlier created component to be accessed here, simply use UC as component and then : and then DVC. Okay, so that was our component. So once you close that, it will auto close with another query. Okay, and then you can simply save this. Okay, and then we can click on preview on the right. If our domain is properly propagated, it will allow you to view the component here. So as you can see, our component has message DevNami Realty LLC. So that message is now displayed from this application. Okay, so you get the idea how to create Lightning component in Salesforce Developer Console.